Hey. Everyone, I'm with Raúl Rodríguez here at Actividades Acuáticas, which is in Sosua Beach car park. They serve fresh coconuts as well. You can see he's just near where the boat ramp is here and the entrance to Sosua Beach itself. They've got ATVs, they've got all kinds of land tours and any type of activity in the ocean that you want to get into. So come down, see Raúl Rodríguez, and you are number, ¿qué número?
Number 29.
Number 29, yeah, and you have a bar over here, and you do scuba diving,
And
snorkeling,
fishing, banana boat. We have lots of things in the Dominican Republic.
Excelente. So come on down, guys. I'll just take a little clip from across the street, try them out. So here you have the shop. Raúl Rodríguez, Actividades Acuáticas.